So guys, it's Jack and Josh Productions, and we upgraded the whole gun. We sit for like 2 more hours. Sleep at like 4 o'clock, and we sit to 100,000. We upgraded everything. Took us a while. So we have 26,000 during 82 level 7. Let's do this.
All right.
It's part 6.
It's pretty badass too.
Yeah. It is like different colored bullets and stuff. So.
Here, I can knife for health.
Yeah, knifing for health is pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna get some health.
I got a health pack for again. That.
Another health. Why do I
Nice.
keep getting health? Ooh, sauce.
Nice, you shot a missile.
Rocket pods.
Out of nowhere, but still.
Shield. We're gonna boss this level out.
Dude, you just got health again. You keep shooting random health packs. That's funny.
Alright, I think the health should be going right. Because, like, there's, like, it's kind of random. What the heck?
You probably knifed a lot.
Maybe I'm gonna keep knifing them. But yeah, like, if you keep knifing, it gives you more health and more and more and more.
You got that cocaine on there. Look at that. Looks like you shot a health one.
I like how it's automatic shotgun too.
Yeah. It takes forever. So basically we made the game to keep doing this. So.
Alright. Ice, right?
Yeah. Okay.
First I thought that was a gun. I knifed a lot.
Oh yeah, look at all the health you're getting from knifing.
Alright. Alright. Should be stopping pretty soon here.
Yeah, we got it. Woo! There you go. Let me try it.
Some badass crap. Why you still have health?
Yeah, I swear to God, I have no clue.
Maybe like you did it like some sort of hack.
Some sort of glitch. Look, it's glitching. I have infinite health. Roll.
Wait, let me click, see if it goes away. Or should I keep it?
Just keep it. Just keep it. It's
All right.
not epic. Just shot a missile, so I got record class.
I think we pretty much beat the game because we have infinite health.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm knifing. True.
Alright, so I think we're probably going to end the series because
Yeah.
it's too easy.
We just beat this level with the last little teabag, you know.
Let me see how many guys there were. 67. Whoa, that's a lot of rockets.
Must have gotten them all.
What? Nuh-uh.
Yeah, shooting random crates. You got health from doing that.
I know.
And then I got
But the health glitch might have been up then.
That's what I shot.
See that health glitch is thing. Maybe if you beat that impossible level, you get it.
Impossible level.
Like the level 7.
Oh, yeah.
How many guys are left? 26, 23. 18. That's a lot of cocaine.
What can I say, bro? I love cocaine.
Whoa. That's too much. How'd you get how many crates?
I don't know.
Are you sure you got that?
I don't know. Money, teabag!
Damn.
So
All right.
we're gonna end the series, guys.
See you later.
See you later.